Hi, in this Python session, we will see how to create a package and access it. Now, in the past Python session, we have seen how to create a single Python file, means a module, and how to access that in another file. Now, many of the times, we need we need to combine the related items together. For example, even in arranging our cupboard with the clothes, categories of clothes, likewise, or arranging products or accessories in our cupboard. So, what we do, we group related items together and combine them in a one container. Similarly, in Python, if I have created multiple modules with few functionalities written in it, and if I want to combine these related functionalities together, so I have to group them into one container, and that container is known as a package. It's like suppose in our computer system we used to have the drive and the related files or everything which is as per our things, we are making folders and we are grouping the related items in the folder. This folder is nothing but your package. For example, my PHP related content I have combined in PHP recording folder. I have created one package or folder with DSP name. I have combined its related material in this folder. So we are grouping this related item together under a folder. Same way, we want to group the multiple Python files modules in one folder. How we can do it? So let's see. We will jump into the IDLE window for the creation of package. Now for that I need to create a multiple files. Now I am creating a new file. What we have to do in this new file, suppose I want to write a functionality for finding area of square. Okay, so functionality we are writing it by using user defined function area of square. So I am giving name asq, the function parenthesis body starts after colon. So for area of square, what we need, side as an integer number. We need to read it from user, that's why input message we are giving as a enter side. Okay, so after that, how we calculate area of square? So it is like as is equal to s into s, side into side, and I want to display it. Area of square is equal to as, the answer. Now I have written this functionality of area of square by name asq. Okay, for this file I am giving name, I am saving this file as under this, suppose python area square. Okay, this module I have written as area square. Save this file. I want to write one more functionality, so I am creating one more file with functionality like, suppose area of rectangle I want to find out. So length, a number, I want to read it from user, input enter length, breadth, int, input message, okay. How we calculate area of rectangle? AR is equal to length into breadth. We need to display the answer, so I am displaying it as area of equal to this comma er. So I have written one functionality by what name? Erect. This is function, so we must give parenthesis. So I need to save this Python module. So save as. I am giving name as area rect. Okay. So I have two modules with the functionality like area of square and area of rectangle. There might be area of a circle, and then we might want to calculate the peripheral, circumference, whatever. So all that related thing I want to combine under area folder. I want to group that things. So suppose I will go into the folders. We know the Python related programs are stored in program files, Python your version. Now here are my modules, area rect and area square. These are my related modules. I want to group them in one folder. So what I am doing, I am control X these modules. I am creating one folder under this Python. Suppose I am giving name as area pack. Okay, area pack, and I am pasting the file over here. So what does it mean? Area related whatever modules or Python small codes I will design, right, all that I will save in area pack only. So what does it mean? I have created a folder with related functionalities together in it. Okay. Now if I am writing my Python code, I am doing one project. Somewhere I need that in this my Python file. Suppose I am going on with my regular stuff of Python code. Somewhere we are learning package, and somewhere I need that uh, functionality of area of rectangle or area of square. But for area of rectangle and for area of square, which files we have written? So under this, suppose under this area rect, under this module, which function I have that I have that function with name. So here, but this area rect is under which folder? Area pack. Okay. So how to access package in your Python code? So I have to write from keyword, and here you have to give name of your package, means your folder. So from area pack, means from this area pack folder, if you could see here, from this area pack folder there are multiple modules. Which module I want to import? So import, I want to import which module? Area rect. Okay, so you have imported. Okay, further what you want to do? From this area rect, I want to dot calculate. Which function I want to calculate? The name of that function was, let us see, the name of that function was file open, the files are in area pack folder rect. So this, the name of this function was a rect. So we will continue with this code. From area rect module, I want to call a rect function, so I am calling it. Okay, so just what we did, it was similar. From module we know how to import module and how to access function from the module by giving module name and function name. Only the thing is that now your module is in some another folder, so you have to give the reference of that folder just by giving from keyword, from folder name import module name. Done. So later after this, if I want to go with my further Python code, I am saving this file with suppose test, and I want to run it. So it will be showing welcome we are, and then rectangle area, and then by. Let's see, run. Welcome we are learning package, and I have entered the length, sorry, breadth, and the area of rectangle is 24. Done.